Hey, how you doing? This is Jed George here, and thank you for watching this video. What I would like to talk to you about is a quick review of the Conversion Pros and also talk to you about the reasons why I decided to join the Conversion Pros. And with the reasons that I give you, perhaps you'll be able to relate to those reasons and get started yourself in the Conversion Pros. Now, I just want to say straight up from the very beginning that the best way for you to get a thorough review of the Conversion Pros is to sign up for the system yourself. It's easy to do that. It's free. Okay, so you can sign up for free for a 7-day free trial. You don't need a credit card to do that. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself and sign up. Take a look around inside. If you like what you see, then you can become a paid member like I did and basically continue to use the tools. So with the 7-day free trial, you have access to use all the tools, all the features inside the system. You can buy leads, you can build capture pages, build an autoresponder, use the link, basically use all the tools for whatever reason you're going to use them for. And if you like what you see, then you can continue to use the tools by becoming a paid member. All right, so just want to say that up front. So here I am in the back office of the Conversion Pros. Now, when you do sign up, you come to this page. It can kind of seem overwhelming. In fact, what I'll do, I'll close all these because it will look like this when you actually get started. Okay, so it can be overwhelming. There's a couple of videos there, but it's easy. Okay, so once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's really easy to understand and find your way around. You can see here all the tools it comes with. Okay, so the main things for me is the capture page creator and the autoresponder and the email broadcast and also the SMS texting. Okay, they're the main things I use it for. I use a lot more than I realized. So I use a lot of the tools: the capture page, the broadcaster, the autoresponder, the SMS texting, the URL link rotator. I use the blog builder too, the tiny URL, the contact manager. Okay, so there's tons and tons of tools here. As I said, sign up, check it out for yourself. When you do sign up, what I do recommend you do is click this button here, which is the Fast Start training. This is a training that has been done by the owner of the system, David Dubbs, and he basically goes through the whole system for you. Okay, he goes through how to build pages, what it's about, everything. So the training's there for you. All you do is go through that in the 7-day trial that you have and learn about the system that way. And now on the side here is all the tools. The main button you click on is here where you can look at all the tools and actually use all the tools. So your landing page builder, if you go here, you can, I've got a bunch of pages I've created, as you can see, but there's videos, there's little tutorials on every single page, so you're never going to be lost. Okay, so there's lots and lots of training there available for you. But if you were to click that button there, you'll be taken to the template that you can choose. So there's non-video capture pages that you can build. All right, so and a bit of a sample of what they look like. So my internet's taking time to load the pages. It's a bit slow. So there's non-video. There's the little pages, little square things on the page. I don't know what they're called. Transparent ones. You can change them up as well. You can change the background. You can change the colors. You can change the font, the text, and then you've got video backgrounds as well. So there's 1-button video page, 2-button capture pages, landing pages. And you can build bridge pages and all sorts of pages. So the list is all there. And the beauty about it is David, the owner of the business, he's constantly upgrading. He's constantly improving. I've been a member for a few months now, and in that time I've seen him do a lot of enhancements. And so he listens to his members and he applies what he basically adds in what people ask. Okay. All right, so that's the homepage, and now there's webinars you can watch that talk about all different ways that you can build your business Okay. My internet's running really slow. Don't know what's going on there. There's webinars there. There's TCP system training. So here's all the training on how to build the pages. I'll go back to the webinar. Here we go. So there's webinars on how to market your business on all different platforms. You can find what look for things that you're familiar with, what you'd like to work with, and use the training there. And of course, you can it's got an affiliate program as well. So if every person that you refer that becomes a paid member, you get paid $25 per month. So I'll talk to you about that in a little bit, but there's a bunch of training videos you can watch on that. Gosh, there's heaps. I didn't realize how much there was, but there's heaps. There's tools as well that you can use to actually promote the system. So the conversion approach is great because you can target two types of people who are looking for an online business. So you can actually present the conversion pros to them as a business opportunity that comes with all tools that they need to build their business. All right. And also you can target people who are already involved in some kind of business opportunity, whether that's online or offline, and you can actually market to them the tools that they need to build their online business. As I said, it comes with capture pages and landing pages and autoresponder. Okay, everything you need to build your online business, to build your list. So that's the beauty about the system. So you're not only looking for people to join a business, but actually helping people who are already in businesses to build their business. So in other words, you can make money even if people don't join your primary business, if that makes sense. So say you're involved in an online business, you're trying to market that business, you're presenting your business opportunity, and they may not be interested in joining your business, but they could be interested in using the tools that you're using to build their business. And so they will join you in the conversion pros, and then you can make money by them joining, okay? So a couple of reasons why I decided to join. Three reasons, but two are the main. It's two are the main reasons. The first two are the main reasons. So I was basically looking for a marketing system. In that I was looking for an autoresponder and a lead capture page. I was using tools elsewhere that were separated. I had separate subscriptions, separate memberships, and I wanted it to be all in one. I wanted to have one single subscription that gave me everything I needed to build my online business. The Conversion Pros came with that. Right, as I said, comes with lead capture pages, landing page builder, fully customizable. You can edit them to what you prefer they look like, and it comes with the autoresponder. So when they opt in, they get put into your contact manager and the autoresponder that you choose to put them under. And so there are other marketing systems similar to that do come all in one. However, once you sign up, then there's a upsell, non-stop upsells. And so if you are wanting to help your team with them joining your business, you don't want to give them tools where they're going to be constantly upsold into other products that are irrelevant. If you've got a business opportunity that already has upsells, why would you put them into offer them something as it's got more upsells? It's just a bit confusing and it just stretches you too thin, in my opinion. Not to bag multiple streams of income, it's completely fine, but if you're starting out, you want to focus on one business, not multiple businesses. So the marketing system, this particular one, it's $50 a month and it comes with everything and there's no upsells. Okay, you don't have to worry about being bombarded with additional upsells. It just comes with the tools you need to build your business, and you can build a massive list, unlimited list, I might add to that. Whereas the other tools I use, as your list grows, your price increases, and as a result of that, you're spending more and more money on the tools that are necessary for your business. And why do that when you can have fixed expense and then use any additional money that you get and buy more traffic or put it in your pocket? Okay. Number two, I wanted to be able to duplicate my team. So in other words, once I build pages and autoresponders, I wanted to be able to share those with my team members. You can do it with other tools, but it just makes it a whole lot easier if it's all in one place. Okay, so I'm able to share my pages, share my funnels, everything I use, I can give away, and I know what it's like when you first get started in an online business and you don't have anything, you don't know what to do. But if you can help someone by saying, hey, use these codes, plug them in, and start sending traffic to the pages, it just makes it a lot more easier to help your team members. And bonus reasons that came with the system, they have a compensation plan. So every person that you refer that becomes a paid member, you get $25 per month, which is fantastic because it costs you $50 a month. So if you refer 2 people, that means it's free. So you can basically have a full marketing system that comes with awesome capture pages, awesome tools that you need for your business, and you can actually get that for free by simply referring 2 members. That is fantastic. Okay, so it's a no-brainer. Save yourself some money. And don't join what all the millionaires are joining. Just get started with this. It's fantastic, and you can basically get your marketing system for free. And of course, live leads, 88 cents per lead. And these people are live leads. They enter their information, their name, their phone number, their email address. You can get on the phone with them. And I've spoken to these leads. They're real. They're the real deal. They're actually people looking for an online business that you can basically either get on the phone and close the sales over the phone yourself, or you can put them straight into your autoresponder and let the automation take over for you. Okay, so that's pretty much all. That's the main reasons. I was looking for a marketing system that I can duplicate with my team, and in addition to that, it came with a bonus compensation plan. Which is not the reason why I decided to join the main reason I decided to join the Conversion Pros. It's just a bonus reason that came across. So if you're looking for a marketing system that you can use, all-in-one marketing system with all the tools, I really highly recommend the Conversion Pros because it works fantastic. It's a great system. As I said at the beginning of this video, the best way for you to get a thorough review of the Conversion Pros is to sign up for yourself with a 7-day free trial. Check out the tools. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can do that. If you're watching this video on the page I've created, I'll leave a button below this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then you can click the link in the description and that will take you straight to my capture page where you can enter your information, and I'll take you through a sales funnel where you can learn about how to use the Conversion Pros, how to build a sales funnel yourself as a bonus that I'll give you using share codes. And that's it. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. You will get my name and my email address and my phone number. So you can reach out to me, ask me any questions you like. I'm here to help you, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.